Right, we're back at Knivsta, Sweden, yet again, and I've recently completed the long short lap of about 1.5 kilometers. Oh, sorry, 15 kilometers. So yeah, a little bit tired, but now I'm off for some fun. I was going for more speed for the short lap loop here, 4 kilometers. So no real reason to spare any energy. Starting to push it a little bit, and this is well deserved in my opinion. New personal best. I further reduced my previous best by 18 seconds. So when we first started this, I was 68 seconds slower, and this is only my third time here. So I think below 5 minutes now is well within reach. Let's see how it goes. I need to remember to stand up for that little jump there. I haven't quite decided if I should sit down in that bend before or stand up all the way through, but I'm thinking about standing all the way up and then coming through this long right-hander. I'm sitting down here because I'm slightly uncertain of the of the road conditions or trail conditions. Feels a little bit slippery. And then for this straight, trying to keep to the inside as it's very bumpy on the outside. And then going through this section, I am pretty happy with my line choices here now, and I have quite a nice flow. Too slow, of course, but yeah, we're getting there. Progress. I get a lot of questions about modifications to the bike, and since I'm missing a right leg, and you can see that to your left handlebar there, the little two goldy ones, goldy containers or whatever you should call them. It's the clutch and the rear brake, so I have two separate handles, one for the clutch and one for the rear brake. So that works really nicely. Takes a while to get used to have to use two fingers, but I'm getting better at it and using the rear brake more often now. So really happy with that setup. You should really check it out. Very popular within the supermoto world. Clake 2, Australian company, and the data that you see is provided by my workout watch from Coros that I extracted GPS and heart rate data and so forth from. So that's working out really nicely as well. So, starting to find my proper gears around here. Since I still can't stand up and shift gears, I have to put it in the right gear before standing up. So that's why you hear it lug for some of the corners. I quickly shift it up on the longer straights coming up soon here. I shift it up to like 4th gear really quickly. But it's not that it's lacking power, it still pulls strongly, but yeah, a few of the corners it's not ideal, but yeah, I have so much else to improve, so it's not really a concern as of now. we're coming up to the long straight, and if you listen you can hear me shift up early to 4th gear like there, I think. But yeah, it still pulls strongly, it's not even full throttle. This bike has so much power, but yeah, I still find it quite easy to ride if you respect it. For sure it pulls when you go on it, but yeah, it's not hard to manage in any way. I find it really nicely and forgiving for me to run around on the wrong gear, and I still always have plenty of torque and power. So yeah, that's soon that. Felt really great, the flow is improving, my confidence is improving, and yeah, we'll be back here soon for more exercise and another long lap. So see you soon, bye bye.